Don't be lazy. Get the new Lightning Bolt shoe. All-star athletes use this, like pro b-ball player LeBron James. And he says that Lightning Bolts are the best shoes I ever worn. I couldn't have succeeded and achieved my goals without them. They helped me jump as high as I could so I can get a slam dunk. These shoes also grip really well so you won't slip and fall. It has a comforter so your feet don't get blisters. And if you're in a hurry, just press the button on the side so your shoe ties automatically. Finally, the shoe has special riveters so you can keep your balance, and it also feels good. So get the Lightning Bolt shoe now for only $65.99 at Dick's Sporting Goods. And don't forget to be active.